Hello! Hi! It is I, George West. Welcome to my mansion. Today, I am the sponsor of this video. I am sponsoring $1 to my own video. So, thank you for making this video. Well, thank you very much for paying for this video. You're welcome. Yeah. Hello. I would like to talk to you about the meaning of life. Now I know what you are thinking. You are saying there is no meaning to life. You are correct. You see, I as person judge you on what you do. You vote Republican, I know who you are. You vote Democrat, I know who you are. You watch Star Wars, I know who you are. You see? So, what you do is how I know what you are and who you are. So if it's for me, it is so easy to label you, then I must ask this question. Is it not important for a person like yourself to do something important? Is that not the meaning of it all? You see, you do something important, like Mr. Nelson Mandela, then I know who you are. You are a copy of Nelson Mandela. You could sweep the floor of my mansion, but you will not be Nelson Mandela. You will be sweeper of the floor of my mansion. What does this have to do with the meaning of life? You see, I am born as child. Small, little baby. I grow up. There is no meaning to me. Until the day I decide to do something. When I decide to do something, that is when there is meaning. So what you do is the meaning of it. There is no goal at the end. There is no prize at the end. It is just what you do that is important. If you do not do, then you have no meaning. Especially those liberals out there that just want from the state. If they just take from the state, they don't do anything. So, that means they have no meaning. What's that, Ginger Punk? Sorry? Oh, Ginger Punk tells me to tell the liberals out there to go, what's that? Fuck your anus. Fuck your anus. He's funny. So, get back to my point. You live, you die. No meaning. It is what you do that is important. If you do something, it doesn't have to be important, but it must be important. I don't mean save 1 billion lives like George West usually does. I am Queen of Latifah. I'm just saying that if you are not doing something that is important to you, you have no meaning. to punch the clock at work, a 9 to 5 job. It is great. It looks after the family. But it does not give meaning to your life. That is what is important, people. That is what is important. Now, a billionaire like myself, I would just like to thank all of the people watching this very video. I would like to thank them for watching Star Wars. I tell you why. You watch Star Wars, I become rich. So, thank you. That will be all for today. Oh, wait. I've got a competition. I've got a competition. For today only. For a person out there who wants to win $1 million, I'm really giving away $1 million. If you comment within the first minute of this video being published, you comment within the first minute, I will give you $1 million. That will be all for today. I am George West. Goodbye. Au revoir. Namaste. Dalai Lama. Dalai Lama. Bye-bye.